back, YouTube. It's our second period E video. Alright, now this is a fantastic opportunity to get points. Is by coming on the YouTube here. Now, by the way, we learned what? We learned that multiplication and division we use Dorito Man. And for addition subtraction, we use a scoreboard or good guys and bad guys. I highly recommend you actually use those because you will get the right answers if you use them. And I know this from many years of experience, so I highly recommend that. Now, we didn't spend that much time on absolute values, so I'm going to go through and just get rid of all the absolute values first. So, sure, so what does 6 become, Richie? 6. Exactly, it stays positive. What does 12 become? Good, excellent, it stays positive. Right? If it was negative, it would become positive because it's always positive. Man, we're famous. We're on YouTube. Okay. Okay, here we go. Somebody else. What does negative 25 become? Roberto.
That turns into a 25.
Right. So now we have 25 plus 25. All right. Any other absolute values we have in this whole thing? Yes. Is that? What is that? Wow, that's very far. Okay, that's not bothering you anyway. Okay. Any others? Any others?
No.
No? I feel like there was one there in the back. Let's do that quickly. So A is 12. So we've got the absolute value of 12 in there. Minus a negative 3. And then times negative 6. Remember, you have to do multiplication before you do the minus on the outside. That's what I'd recommend. Alright? Alright, so what does the 12 become?
The 12
becomes 12. So negative 12, and then negative, and then what does negative 3 times negative 6 become? Positive 18. So we just have negative 12 and negative 18. Good guys and bad guys, negative 30. Right? So, right? Because good guys didn't score anything, right? 12 and 18. Does that make sense? Any questions about that?
No.
No? Okay. Whoa, I did something bad.
You did?
I fixed it though. 12. Oh, because that was a negative there. Okay. Yep. So total points was negative. Bad guys score 30. Good guys score nothing. That is not a nice game. All right. Enough of that. Let's go back to number 1.
Yay!
Who wants to come and do number 1 and 2? Ooh. All right. Do you have an appropriate code name?
Me?
Yeah.
Yes. Russian boy.
Russian boy?
Yes.
Come on down. All the way from Russia. Thank you for clapping, young man.
Can I get points?
Yeah, give him
Yeah,
points.
give him some points.
10
Really
points.
good points.
10
Not
points.
10, no. Oh, that's much better. Oh, so great. Yeah, enough of that. Okay, so how do we do this problem?
Okay, so you have to do you have to do Dorito Man first, and since there's one negative and one positive, you cross out one negative and one positive, and that makes it negative. So then you do 145 divided by 5,
Which is?
29, and then you have to add the negative because it's a negative.
Because the answer is a negative. So you actually don't have to rewrite your Dorito Man. You just cover it up with your finger. Yay! Okay. What about number 2?
I did. So I changed everything to 6 minus 12 negative.
No. Oh no, this one 2. It's
Oh,
the underneath.
2.
Yeah.
That 2.
That 2.
So I changed the parentheses, the 3 in parentheses to times 3. So it would be negative 30 times 3. And then I would do Dorito Man, cross out one positive, one negative, because it's one positive, one negative. And I just multiply 30 times 3 equals 90. And you have to add the negative sign because it's a negative.
That was very well done, sir. Okay, who wants to try number 3? Code name?
It was SB Life for Life.
SB Life for Life! Coming all the way from SB Life. Okay.
So number 3?
Yeah.
Okay, so I did negative and negative, and I used my derivative and I made it positive.
Okay. Alright, so these two negatives became Dorito Man, so you have 32.
And so now I have 32 plus 14.
Plus 14. Excellent.
And it's 46.
Yes, it is. And then what's number 4 while you're up here?
Number 4 is 50.
Woo! We are just zooming through this. Alright, so we all know what sign is number 5 going to be? Positive. So positive 5 because that's Dorito Man, right? Both of the negatives become positive there. Let's see. Yes. I'll zoom out a little bit. Welcome, sir. Okay. And then we're on YouTube. Yay. Okay. Is that far up enough for whoever wanted that?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Can I move down now?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now, number 6, Tricky McTrickster. Come on down. Do you have a code name, sir?
Ninja, Fortnite.
Ninja. You're coming from all the way from where?
Fortnite.
From Fortnite. Okay. From the internet. Okay. All right. We're doing number 6. Go ahead.
So, since 10 is next to the positive, it makes it negative 10. So, 32. So, Dorito Man.
Well, first we're gonna do our. It didn't record what you said.
Wait.
It's called. What's before the 10?
Oh, a positive sign. Double sign.
Oh
That's
yes,
what I
it's a
said.
double sign. Okay, what do we do with the double sign?
You make it so Dorito Man.
We Dorito Man it, so that becomes 32
Negative.
minus 10, negative 10, and negative 8. Okay, now what?
Then 32 minus 10 is 12. Wait, no.
You could
12.
do it that
22.
way.
And
Minus
then
8
minus
is
8 is
14. But I recommend, yeah, that's actually an easy one. You don't need your good guys, bad guys tables. But it would come out the same way, right? 32 versus 18, and then you subtract, and you get 14. Good guys won. Excellent job. All right. Did you already come up or no?
No.
Okay. Do you have a code name?
Diamonds.
Diamonds all the time. Coming from the diamond mines of Mars. All right. You came a long way. All right, come near the microphone, please, so that you two can get the full effect of the diamonds. Okay.
Alright, so first what I did is I converted the parentheses into multiplication.
Okay, so you got 3 times
Negative 2
negative 2 times.
negative 6.
Good.
But then I multiplied 2 by 6.
Okay, so you did negative 2 times negative 6.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Now he's doing it in a different order. Is that okay?
Yeah, so as long as I get the right answer.
Well, yes, but is that legal?
Yes.
Yes, it is, because multiplication is commutative. So yes, that is a good idea. So we get negative times negative makes
Wait,
a
positive. The Dorito Man.
Yes. So we get 3 times 12, and that answer is
4. Sorry. Wait, yeah, 4.
no 3 times 6.
Oh, sorry, 36.
Yes, 36. All right.
Division.
You're like so excited to yell 4.
Thank you.
Okay. All right. Let's see. Now we don't have to do all these problems. So whoa, I just moved the screen around. Okay. So this one we just have to do good guys, bad guys, right? 6 on the positive. Whoopsie daisies. Okay. Okay, 6, 12, 40. Okay, so bad guys score 52, right? What's the final score? Yeah, good guys. Well, that was the final score, 52-6. But they won by 46. Right. So bad guys win by 46. Don't forget to put that sign in there, por favor. All right. Can I move down, or do you need more time on that? Well, you can go and review the YouTube if you don't have time to write everything down, okay? All right. All right, now these I want to do, well, not all of these. I'll probably do all of them in all the classes, but not all of them in every class. So 252 divided by 9. Did anybody do that yet?
I would like to try that.
Well, it's going to be 20-something, isn't it?
28.
Is it 28?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm trusting all of you. I think you're right. Okay? And they're all positive. Lucky you. Okay, 9 times what? Negative 35, so put in parentheses. X is negative 21. Well, there's nothing else there, so I'm not going to put it in parentheses. Alright, so positive times a negative is a negative. So that's 300 and something. 315, isn't that what it is? Kind of. Is it 315? Okay. I think it is. I'm going to double check.
It is.
Okay. I don't have to double check because y'all know. Y'all know. Okay. Alright. Negative divided by negative. Oh my goodness. Is that divide? I don't know. What does it make? Positive what?
Positive 15.
Oh wait, negative.
No.
Ah, I was
Boom,
just
check.
kidding.
Trick us, but we're too smart.
I know, you're too smart.
We are.
Okay, it's positive. I was just kidding you two. Okay,
About that.
so 6 times negative 7. That's an easy one. Negative 42. 14. Negative 6 times 3 times negative 8. Okay, how about we do the last one first? Why not? So then we'll follow Diamond Man's lead here. Negative 6 times negative 24. And that equals what? Bless you. Negative 144. See, I know. I was just testing you there. Like I was last time. Alright. Okay. Alright, we already did 15, right? Alright, now 16, 17, and 18. There aren't any word problems on the test, so I'm going to have you just do that for homework. Okay?
Wait, what are we doing for homework?
I'm just going to have you do that for homework, the word problems. Okay? But we're going to do 19 through 24, all of that fun stuff. Wait. Oh, it's not, that's why. I was thinking, I was looking at the wrong thing. Alright, negative 4, 7. What quadrant is that in? Well, you're going to go negative to the left and up 7. So what quadrant is that in?
1, 2, 1, 3, 4. Then 1.
Oh my goodness, I've heard every one.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, you're going left and up, so it's 2.
That's 2.
It's quadrant 2.
Negative 4.
So I'm going to leave this. You probably want to write this on your page when you get your test. So I'm going to write quadrant 2. Alright, so this is going to the right and down, right? So that makes what?
4. 3.
So the right and down is quadrant 4. Okay, number 21, what quadrant is that in?
1 and 2.
That is correct. It's none. It's on the axis there. Which axis?
Y. 1 and 2.
The y-axis. Yeah, you're right. The y-axis. Alright, what about negative 8 14? So you go left and up. I was going to go down, but that would be bad. So that's just like 19. Okay, 23, positive and positive. That's always going to be quadrant 1.
What are you saying?
Negative and then positive, that's the same as 19 and 22. That's quadrant 2. I didn't have any in 3. Look at that. But I think there might be on the 3.
There was no quadruple on the homework either.
What? Really? I'm just saying. Alright. Can I move on?
25.
Let's do that. Okay, I'm going to zoom out so that I can get everything there. Look at all the magical things I can do with my technology. Isn't that exciting? Alright. Negative 4, positive 1. So we go left 4, up 1. That is letter A. So we need to label it. Alright, B is 3, 0. Go to the right 3, don't go up any. If you have trouble remembering which is first, remember you always have to go left or right to get to the ladder before you go up or down.
I have a.
Walk, run before you jump. Yeah. Wait, where's the right there? Okay, negative 1, negative 4. What about that? Which way do we go? Right. Left and down, left and down. Okay, so we get here. This is C. And then E is 0, 4. And we label it. And then H is 3, negative 5. And that is H. And what does that spell? A-C. Ace book. Give me an A. A. Give me a C. C. Give me an E. Give me a B. You guys aren't giving me anything. Give me an A. Give me a C. Give me an E. You're supposed to say E. Alright, give me a B. Give me an H. What's that spell? Not in that order.